Hey guys, we're doing the teams now for the 4 box break. It's 7:10, 10 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll for participants. We're going 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Teams, we're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Random is complete. Teams are, Lee, Rowbottom, Mavericks, Palmisano, Thunder, Strutty Roads, Raptors, Dobell Pacers, Tucky with the Grizz, Shane Bradfield with the Jazz, Aaron Price, Bucks, Coulson Wizards, Shane Bradfield, Heat, Aaron Price Bulls, Albie Warriors, Benji Mac Hawks, Strutty Roads Sixers, Levi with the Pistons, Shane Strut Celtics, Plymouth Nuggets, Aaron Lou with the Lakers, Leonardo Suns, Shane Strut Knicks, Albie with the Nets, Cannon with the Cavs, Dobell Wolves, Lee Rowbottom Blazers, Strutty Rhodes Clippers, George Taylor with the Kings, Guy Bell with the Rockets, Mark Cole with the Spurs, Ash Peters with the Pelicans, Aaron Coulson with the Hornets, and Vincent Rennie with the Magic. And that is the teams for tonight, unless anyone trades.